Morning everyone, I'm here to talk about November's mosaics of the month. We've got a pair this time. We've just put the clocks back, daylight savings, and when I was a little boy they used to tell us that that was so the farmers didn't have to get up in the dark. I was always very skeptical about that. I don't like it. I don't like the short days. I don't like the dark evenings. So my solution is the same as my answer to everything else, which is to make some mosaics. This one, spring forward, shows the little dog having had his spring cleaning. He's looking the cleanest clean he's ever been, all lovely. This one, fall backwards, he's back to his dishevelled state, in need of some TLC. Notice the mille-fury ground in both cases, creating a spring and fall effect. They're for sale. They can be sold individually or as a pair, so if you'd like more information, please message me here on Facebook. And that's it.